When you don't have water, you're dry. When you have water, you're good.
Who would have thought I'd get you?
Hey family, welcome or welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Patrice. It'd be great if you hit that subscribe button down below to join the family. I hope you're having a blessed and wonderful day because you are alive. You clicked on this video, that means you're breathing. God is so good. Also give your girl a thumbs up because you're awesome and I love you. Today we're going to talk about why your locks are dry. A lot of you guys have messaged me and literally like a handful of people have been asking me the same exact thing. Why are my locks dry? Why is this happening to my locks? You know, I think I've been dealing with this for my entire life. So let me tell you this. Your locks are not dry because you were born like that. Your locks are not dry because your hair is thick. Your locks are not dry because you just have locks. Locks does not equal dryness, okay? When you have locks, you can't just forget about your hair and think your hair is just gonna grow and flow and you don't gotta worry about nothing. That's not how locks work, okay? Yes, there are those who have freeform. There are some people who don't wash their hair for 5 months, 6 months, 7 months, 8 months. Lord, I even heard 10 months, okay? That's none of my business. I'm not into those type of things because I believe that your hair can actually grow fungus. Your hair can grow a lot of things on your scalp because you don't wash your hair. So I'm not here to bash anyone who doesn't wash their hair every month or they wait 3, 4, 5. Listen, everyone has their own way of doing things when they have locks, but I'm here to share my experience. I'm here to share my advice and my research. And then there's some people who will comment on my video like, who are you to tell me when to wash my hair? I'm only sharing my advice. I've seen people who didn't wash their hair for 6, 7, 8 months and develop scalp conditions. Like, it's not for everybody. And even if you're someone who advocates washing hair every 6 months, to each his own, baby. You're lacking moisture. Dryness equal lack of moisture. You need moisture. A lot of people do not have a moisturizing hair routine because they feel like they don't need one because they have locks. But I really suggest you to have a moisturizing routine, whether you have freeform locks or you have sister locks or you have traditional locks, whatever locks or hair you have on your head, you want to make sure you have moisture, because that's what keeps your hair healthy. And if your hair is dry for an extended period of time, your hair is going to break off. So your locks are already dead. My hair, most of it is dead. 95% of my hair is already dead hair. The hair that's alive is closer to the scalp. So that's for everyone, locks or not. So it's important to maintain the length of your hair by moisturizing your hair and your scalp so that your scalp can actually produce healthy hair. And all hair is not created equal. So some people may have to moisturize twice a week, 3 times a week, every day. It just all depends on what your hair needs, and for me, I was moisturizing my hair every single day. I started my hair in the winter time, so my hair needed extra moisture because the cold weather can be very harsh. Increase the amount of time you moisturize your hair. We may need more moisture than others. So I might say, I only moisturize my hair twice a week. Twice a week could be nothing for you. I could spritz water on my hair right now and it literally will be dry in 5 minutes. My hair drinks water and oil like no other. Another thing is that what you're using does not moisturize your hair to begin with. It's not doing anything for your hair. You want to pay attention to what your hair needs. Sometimes what you're using is not working, but you find that this is what such and such said, I should use this. But if it's not working for your hair, then maybe it's not for you. So you have to use things that works for you. Another thing is that you do not deep condition your locks. For me, I don't use actual conditioner like you buy at the store to condition my locks. I actually deep condition my locks doing hot oil treatments, tea rinses, clay masks, and so on. So there's other ways to deep condition your hair. You want to do that at least every other month so that you know that your hair is healthy and your hair can kind of get back to the healthy state if it's lacking moisture. I'm not someone who's going to use conditioner because my hair actually unravels very easily when I use conditioner, but I do deep condition, okay? However, if you're someone who uses conditioner or wants to use conditioner, dilute the conditioner a little bit so that you don't have to worry about buildup. The next reason is you do not cover your locks. Covering your locks is very important, especially using satin or silk head covers or head wraps or bonnets or do-rags. Most of us have cotton pillowcases, so if you're always laying on cotton pillows without your hair being wrapped or covered, then that could be another reason why your hair is very dry. Another reason is you spend a lot of time in the sun and your hair is constantly in the sun. So the sun is actually great for your hair, of course, but there's a limit to that. So if you're always in the sun and your hair is not protected and you're not moisturizing, then you will find that your hair is extremely dry. Another thing is if you're always a person that swims, swimmers will have dry hair because the chlorine or salt water. So you really want to pay attention to not being in the water too long or not swimming so often if your hair is not covered. So if you're someone who experiences dry hair or dry locks, let me know what you've been using to help your dry locks. I will also leave products below that has helped me to keep my hair moisturized, as well as the video of how I moisturize my locks if you're interested. So make sure you're subscribed if you have not already, and I'll see you in my next video. Always remember, be spiffy and be you. Peace. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be about why your locks dry. So I'm gonna tell you why your locks dry, and it's not because you have locks, it's because you need moisture. Me I gonna talk to you today like me a preacher, because listen, you need moisture, my girl, my boy. You need moisture today in your head.